Okay, so we will start with SQL joins. Let me just give an overview again. What is SQL joins? So like we discussed in the last class, a join clause is something which we use to combine two or more tables to get the data out of both the tables. Like there might be scenarios wherein we want to have two columns from one table and the third column from a different table. So we need to join both the tables to get all these three desired output, and the joins will be based on some relatable columns. Means that column on which we are joining should be present in both the tables, and data type and data in those tables should be same for the join to work, right? And then we discussed there are different types of SQL joins. The first one is inner join, and what happens in inner join? So when we join two tables using an inner join, we get only the matching records on the join columns from both the tables. We saw some examples on the previous class, and we also saw one interview question which you all guys answered, right? And the next join is left outer join, which is basically the left join. So what happens in left join? So it's like we join two tables, table 1 and table 2, right? And if you see the Venn diagram, we get all the records from table 1, including the matching and not matching. And this intersection part that you see is the matching records from both the tables. Means we get the matching records from table 1 and table 2 and all the records from table 1. So this is left join, and we saw some examples of left join as well. So you guys have any questions on inner join and left join? We saw some examples and discussed last class.
No.
No.
Okay. So today we will start with the next join, which is right outer join. So this is similar to left join. The only thing is this time we will just consider the right table. So when you write a query like this, select columns from table 1, right join table 2. So right outer is optional part. You can write right join, you can write right outer join, both are same, right? So when you say select columns from table 1, right join table 2 on some relatable columns, in this case it is table 1 dot column equal to table 2 dot column. It means you will get the matching records on this column from both the table 1 and table 2, which is again this intersection part, right? And then you will get all the records from the right table. So what is the right table? In this case, it is table 2, right? Let us move to some examples and see. So let's say we have employee table. We have employee ID and department ID. So employee ID 101, department ID 201. Okay, and now we have the department table. We have department ID here and department name here. So let's say 201 we make it HR, 202 we make it engineering, 203 finance, 204 legal. Right, so we have 4 departments, for example. Right, so when we do a inner join, my query will be select employee dot employee ID. I want the employee ID and department name, department dot the name from employee, which is our left table, inner join department, which is our right table, and I am joining on what? Employee dot department ID equal to department dot
department ID.
Okay, so this is the inner join query, right? So I want you to give me the output first of what will be the column output of this particular query, just to refresh, like you remember the concept of joins from the last class. So tell me what will be the output.
First, it will start from 101, and then it will be the HR,
Okay.
and then 102,
Okay.
and then it would be the HR,
HR only.
Okay.
and 103 it will be engineering,
Okay.
and then 104 equal to 203, that is finance.
Okay.
105 also finance.
Okay.
And then 106 equal to null.
Null.
I am doing a inner join.
Sorry, got it. No, 106 will not come.
Right. 106 will not come. This is for inner join. If I just change the query to left join, what will be the output now?
Now it will remain same, and it will come 106 as a null.
Yes.
106
Null.
as null. Now if I change it to right join, right? So let's take the example again. Employee ID, and I am changing this query to right join. Now give me the output. Concept is same, it's just the opposite of the left join.
However, we need to make sure that like what table you have kept on the right. That is also like suppose in the left join. Also, we mentioned that on whatever the above the table, that is left table. Correct.
Yeah, so it's always like this. Before the join condition, whatever the table is, this is the left table. Now after the join condition, whatever the table is, that is the right table. So
Okay.
in inner join, what we did, we joined left table with right table, and we took only the matching records on department ID column. In left join,
Yes.
what we did, we took employee table and department table, did a left join, took the matching records from both the table and all the records from left table, which is employee table. So 106 had no match, so we displayed 106. In this case, it will be opposite. We will take all the matching records and the not matching records from this department table.
Correct. And in the right one, like we will mention the employee ID, the entire employee ID, and then we will mention as instead of 106, we will mention the like legal as a null.
So what will be the output? How it will look like? Till this point, it will be same because it's inner join. We are getting the matching records. So till this point, it's all same. What will be the additional difference from left join in this case?
If we consider that in the right table, like in a right join, the right table, the D name, that is the legal.
Right.
Like if we, legal will come as a null. Like in the ID, yeah, and then in the ID it will come as a null.
Right. So all clear on this logic? What happened here? So this is how right join works. So you take the matching records from both the tables, and then you take the non-matching record from the right table. In this case, right table is department. So we don't have any entry for department ID 204 in the employee table, which means there is no match for this particular department. So we just display null and the department name. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So there is one more join, which is called as full outer join. Alright. So as the name suggests, it takes everything. If you see, everything is blue. You get the matching records from both the tables, and you get all the non-matching records from both the tables as well. Right. So if I have to change this query from right join to full outer join, right? So what will be the output in this case?
It will be like it will also consider the 106. Yeah, correct.
106 legal. I think.
Okay, so this will be the output. So till this point, we get the matching records. Now on the employee table, there is one employee with department ID 20210, which doesn't have any match in department table. So we will display that particular employee with department as null. And then in department table, we have a department by the department ID 204, which doesn't have any entry in employee table. So we display that also.
Correct.
Right. So this is all the different kind of joins that we use in our day-to-day basis. Right. So now
And
again,
just a question: in full join, like it will not remove the duplicate, correct? It will
it will
like it
not remove
will.
the duplicate. No. Concept will be same. If there are multiple matches multiple times, it will come. It will not remove any duplicates. So one last interview question just to make sure like you understood the join concept. I have two tables. One is T1, one column A. I have values 111, and then I have one more table T2. I have a column A here also. I have the values 1, 1.
Or I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Can we join more than two tables?
Yes, we can join more than two tables, and I will come to that example as well.
Oh,
Okay, but just we will complete this particular question and then we will move on to multiple joins. So
oh.
this question, give me the output for inner, left, right, and outer join. So what will be T1 dot A and T2 dot A when I do a inner join on column A? Yeah, somebody answer. We discussed this we saw this example last time.
Inner join 1 1. Hello.
Yeah, 1 1.
Next 1 1.
Again 1 1.
1 1.
Again
1
4
1.
times 1 1.
Next 1 1.
Okay, this is for inner. What is left?
Yes.
I think there will be a like 611 in the inner.
Okay. What about left join?
One
1 1.
and 1
Again 1 1.
Okay.
again 1
1
Okay.
again 1 1.
This will also come the 611.
Okay.
1 1 1 1 1 1. Yes.
What about right?
In the right, it will come 1 1 1 1
Okay.
and then 1 1 4 1 1.
Okay. Any other answer?
No, also 611. Sorry.
6 1 1.
1 1 1 1. Now,
What about outer?
outer will come
1 2 3 4 5 6.
So outer will be
Outer will be like the same. If we consider the table from both.
12 is 1 1 1. 1 1 1
4
1
times
Remain
1
same.
1 and 1 is null.
so. What is the on what basis are you joining in outer join? Same columns, right? On A and A,
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
and you will first look for the matching records, right?
Yes.
So when you look for the matching records, it's basically inner join, right? First, you're trying to do an inner join and find out what all records are matching. So what is the output of
Correct.
the inner join? 6 ones, right? So everything
Mhm.
matches. Is there anything which is not matching?
Everything is matching.
So outer join will also give you 6 records.
Okay.
So you all were right till right join, but you got confused in outer join because you did not consider the basic join concepts of joining one with this one, then one with this one. So 2 records for this one, then again 2 records for this one, and the 2 records for this one. And there is no record which is not matching. Everything is matching. So you get the same output for all the joins. Clear on how joins work?
Yes.
Yes.